This is Scott Morrison, CTO of PHEMI, and this is PII in the data lake? Are you nuts? Would you put PII, or for that matter, any sensitive info into your data lake? Many organizations won't, because they feel it could poison the lake. You know, it's not a totally rational proposition. By letting sensitive data disperse throughout your data lake, you might be vulnerable to insider threats. You know, recently there was a data breach impacting about 2.9 million Canadian customers at a major financial institution, and that involved an insider. So it's not just the external hackers you need to worry about. You might also find yourself in violation of any number of well-meaning four-letter regulations around privacy. You know the kind: GDPR, CCPA, and trust me, there's a lot more coming. Take your pick based on wherever you're doing business. But you know, sensitive data shouldn't bring down your data initiative. As long as you take the right precautions, the benefits are huge. That sensitive data is a gold mine of business value, and you don't want to miss out on that. What you need is a data management platform designed for handling sensitive data. So first, start with a model of zero trust. Now, zero trust doesn't mean zero access, but to get to zero trust, start with a platform that embodies the principle of least privilege. Users should only get to see what they're entitled to see, no more. Now, your platform should label all of your data for sensitivity, from files to tables to columns, and in fact, right down to individual rows and items. These labels could be as simple as public, secret, top secret. Doesn't matter. Or they could be even as sophisticated as your business demands. Next, add an advanced attribute-based access control system, or ABAC. Now, ABAC takes the attributes of a user, the labels that you put on your data, and evaluates these under a rule set called policy. Now, the beauty of ABAC is that it scales. It scales to millions of users. This isn't something you can say about RBAC. It's actually what the military uses. Finally, add in de-identification functionality. Render that PII opaque, but preserve the value inherent in the data. Your platform should be able to manufacture de-identified data sets so that your data scientists and engineers can make insights without compromising privacy for any individual. Zero trust data management for big data. It lets you find value hidden in PII. And we think that's the right way to do big data.